here is page section, and as I've told you earlier that these pages came from the design itself. Background, let me show you. Background is really cool thing, and I strongly suggest you to use background section very smartly, because this is what define the feel and look of your website. Suppose I am clicking on this section and I am clicking here change page background, or I can change from here also. Suppose I am clicking this picture. Well, we can add video also in a background, so it's up to you what you want to use. As you can see, this is really professional picture, so you can use it. And I have told you one website also, if you want to have a beautiful pictures, that is Unsplash. You can use this website also. You will able to find a really beautiful images from this website, and every images is completely free, and you don't need to give attribution to the author. In most free images we see that we have to put the link of author, and in this we don't need to provide any type of attribution, so this is good. Now let's see what are other buttons. From here we can add so many things that we will discuss after a while. From here, as you can see, we can add content manager, we can add members, we can add events, bookings, store. Now this is Wix app marketplace. So earlier I have told you, well, it's taking bit time. Yeah, so it's loaded. Earlier I have told you that what is Wix marketplace, or what is plugin or apps. So this is that section. Now you can see and understand, because you know the terminology. So as you can see, here are a lot of apps, and we will use it later. These apps will add additional feature to our website. Now let's see what is this button. Well, if you want to upload media from your computer or from your Facebook, Instagram, or Google Drive or Google Photos from apps like these, then you can use this section, and you can use those picture that is on your social media or on your computer, you can use on your website. So if you want, then you can use. This is Wix free images section. We can use images from here also, and we can, as you can see, I have told you this website. So if you want images from here or there, you can use. There are a lot of images out there, so try to get best, next to best picture, because picture is really important to present website in a good way. So have good pictures, or you can use these videos also, and these are all paid images, I believe. Yeah, these all are paid images. These are all Shutterstock images, and you have to pay if you want to use these pictures. Now the next option is you can add a blog section. So earlier I have told you what is blog, so you can add blog section from this section, and you can use booking section from this option. Suppose you are a owner of a gym, or you are working in a gym and you want to create a website for a gym, then this book section is important. Or if you have a barber shop, or if you are a musician, or there are so many business out there who uses this booking section. So if you think that you need booking section, then you must go for adding this section, which I will tell you later on. So as you can see over here, this design allowed us to have a chat bot. We can know how we can use this chat bot. So for this far, I hope you have learned these sections, and slowly and steadily we will learn most of the things. So just follow along, just keep watching and keep trying and make your hands dirty, and you will learn most of the things, and you will have a good website, beautiful looking website.